3, 2, 1, release, release, release.
Fire.
What you are watching on your screen is Virgin Galactic's third successful spaceflight. Earlier this month, we had Blue Origin performing the successful landing of its own New Shepard rocket. After which, they also announced auction for the spaceflight tickets with Blue Origin. And now, we have Virgin Galactic demonstrating their capabilities with Virgin Spaceship or VSS Unity. It wouldn't be an overstatement if I say commercial space race is really getting hit up in 2021. After releasing from the mothership, Unity had 60 seconds of rocket burn, and then the spaceship soared directly towards the edge of Earth. The Virgin Spaceship Unity took off from the spaceport in New Mexico and reached the altitude of nearly 55.5 miles with a speed of Mach 3. Just in 1 month, we had 2 successful flight demonstrations by 2 separate companies. Despite of all initial setbacks, this flight will hopefully put Virgin Galactic back on its track in the future of space race. After all, Virgin Galactic was one of the first companies to come up with a solid plan for space tourism. They have already booked not 1, not 2, but 600 tickets for tourist flights with the VSS. The company owner Sir Richard Branson also have very big ambitions for the commercial space, which is why Virgin Orbit, the cousin company of Virgin Galactic, is also preparing for the first orbital launch soon. Now we have Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic directly lined up against each other in the race of suborbital flights, whereas SpaceX has plans for NASA's first tourist mission to ISS with Axiom Space. On the other hand, we have Boeing preparing for the second test flight with its Starliner spacecraft. And then there is Yusaku Maezawa's private spaceflight with Soyuz MS-20. We would have never believed if someone would have said that we are going to have multiple tourist flights to space 10 years back. These are the real exciting times. 3 billionaires ready to fight literally in space. So which one is your favorite out of them? Well, this doesn't make any difference as long as they all are getting success. Because I believe our future is in the space. I'm sure you are really excited for the tourist space flights. If so, just give us a like, comment about your excitement, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. With this, see you again in the next one.